Here we are, ladies and gents. It's a beautiful day. We're going to talk about polymers breaking into monomers in a very insightful way. We use mechanical digestion to chew our food with the teeth in our mouth, enabling the food to travel farther down south. But let's not forget about the enzyme in our saliva called amylase. It hydrolyzes starches at a pretty good pace. Now, make sure you take your time and don't eat like a pig, or else your uvula will throw back up pieces too big. However, don't be scared. Your food won't go down your trachea because your epiglottis is ready and prepared. Food, which measures energy in calories, then goes through the esophagus using small wave-like contractions, making sure you don't have a dangerous choking reaction. And then it goes through the cardiac sphincter, which makes sure your food doesn't backtrack. Otherwise, acid would move into your esophagus, which would most certainly make you yak. Next, full of HCl, the stomach comes along, the biggest thing we've seen yet. In order to excrete chemicals, it needs all the surface area it can get. Inside the stomach, deep from within, there's an enzyme that hydrolyzes proteins, and it's called pepsin. We now have the duodenum area. Let's talk about that for a while. First, the liver makes a detergent that digests lipids called bile. Where do we store and secrete bile, you ask? Well, the gallbladder is used for this task. And the pancreas has catabolic enzymes, and I mean a lot. An important one is lipase, which breaks down all the lipids it's got. Now we move to the small intestine, which breaks down the sucrose by using the enzyme sucrase and absorbs digested nutrients into the blood. What a helpful place. We now move to the large intestine, which reabsorbs water. Not only that, but it also compacts waste without any bother. But wait, there's more. It has E. coli, a probiotic bacteria. It digests complex carbs, a very important criteria. E. coli also produces vitamin K, an important vitamin in any way. And lastly, we have elimination of remnants not absorbed, the final step. The rectum is used as a chamber from the large intestine to the anus, ready to prep. The feces goes through the rectum and anus, they quickly pass, and finally the feces comes out of your, well, you know.